Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So we're doing a little bit of cherry vanilla. I have some frozen coconut meat, some aloe vera. If you can see it down in there. Let's see. Yep, that's aloe vera. All that's aloe vera. And then I put some cherries on top. And I'm going to add my Vega vanilla protein and my marine collagen to get these knees together. And here we are. Ooh. Let's taste it. This is a little bit left. That is good. All right, y'all. They do have regular collagen. This is the marine collagen. Um, regular collagen is bovine, which is basically made from cows. This is marine collagen, which is made from fish. I decided to explore that option. Actually, it was a gift from a great friend. So, there you go. I'm going to drink this down a little bit and put my lid on. And yeah, I hope that this was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.